Let's study what is atmospheric electric charge. We have seen clouds, thunders and lightning. We have experienced it several times, especially during rainy season, during the beginning of rain and during the end of the rain. We experience thundering, lightning of clouds. So that is because of the electric charge present in the atmosphere. Electric charge is in both positive and negative ways. What exactly happens in this situation? There are clouds, right? There are clouds in the environment. Clouds and air rub against each other. There is upper layer as well as the lower layer of the cloud. When these clouds and air around the clouds rub against each other, it creates charges. The upper surface of the cloud generates positive charge and the lower surface of the clouds generates negative charge. Now what exactly is the science behind all this for thundering and lightning? Let's study now. There are clouds with positive and negative charges. The upper surface of the cloud is positively charged and the lower surface of the cloud is negatively charged. These charges are due to the rubbing of air and the clouds in the atmosphere. What happens next then? In some previous classes of this lesson, we have come to know that the positive and the negative charge gets balanced. Wherever the positive and negative charges are there, they get attracted to each other. So if there is positive charge on the upper surface of the cloud and the negative charge to the lower surface of the cloud, at the same time towards the surface of the ground there is positive charge too. Okay, there is positive charge too. So there is attraction between the upper surface of the ground and the lower surface of the cloud since they have opposite charges. So as they have opposite charges, they have attraction between each other. So when the lower charge of the cloud, the negative charge from the lower surface of the cloud becomes much greater as compared to the charge of the ground, it starts flowing from the cloud to the ground level. Yes, it starts flowing from cloud to the ground level so that it gets adjusted and becomes equal to the both. So when it starts flowing, it flows quickly. Within a second it flows. This happens fast. Therefore, while the charge passes from the cloud level to the ground level, along with the charge, it carries heat, light and sound energy too. That is, along with the charge passing from the cloud level to the ground level, the heat energy, light energy and sound energy is also produced along with the electric current. Let's understand a lightning strike now. It's on the textbook page number 56. Sometimes, some or the other times, you must have seen the zigzag rays like lightning during night time. Most of the time during night time or evening times, you must have seen zigzag light rays. Yes, that is because of thundering. The lightning strikes take place. What happens exactly in this? When there are electrically charged clouds in the sky, electricity is attracted towards a tall building or tree. When lightning strikes, the roof of the tall building or the tall trees generate opposite charge. So they create opposite charge. And what happens when opposite charges are present? They attract each other. So when there are opposite charges between the lightning, that is clouds, and the roof or the building or the trees, they will attract each other. And finally, that strike falls on that building. Now what can be done to prevent this? For the prevention of lightning strike to fall on the tall building or tall trees, we can take care of the lightning conductor to be fixed on the top floor or on the roof of the concerned building. So if we fix the lightning conductor device on the roof of the building, whatever the strike will fall will be attracted on the top layer on that device where it is fitted. Okay, whichever device lightning conductor is fitted on the roof, there the lightning strike will be attracted. Once it is attracted, from that wires the current will pass straight to the ground. So with the help of that device, there will be no harm, no damage for the building. There's a particular arrangement of the device, that is lightning conductor, which is shown on the textbook page number 57. You can observe that picture, that figure on textbook page number 7 with the tip or end right at the top, copper strip, cast iron plates, coal and salt at the bottom. So the current which is attracted on the top layer of the building goes and passes straight to the ground. So which causes no harm to the building, no harm for the people which are present in the building. Thank you.